Do you cost $5 or does your music cost $5 to listen to?
Dog costs $5.
Sophie is priceless.
Here we go again, another yard sale.
This is gonna be my graduation.
The sound of car wash. Oh. Good job, Javon. So, kicking off our third car wash garage sale of the year. It's going quite well so far. I think everybody's got this down to a science because we were able to set up quite quickly and we still have a lot of stuff. So, that's a good thing. It's going to be a good day to have a good day.
Girls, your beach is almost done. I just talked to them.
That's funny. You look like two little kids at the playground.
And look at the size of their shovels. Their beach is almost gone.
Goodness gracious, what's my mom thinking?
What's your mom doing? She's bringing us happiness.
Yes. Sunscreen and happiness.
Sunscreen. This is the best. This is the first time Reagan hasn't got horribly burned at camp. And I said, you didn't get burned at camp.
Every 15 minutes.
And she said it was because Mama O sent the best sunscreen in the world.
You know why? That sunscreen is like $11.
I told her, I said, that's because that's more expensive than I've ever spent on sunscreen. But it is worth it.
It might be worth it.
It's completely worth it.
It is worth it.
Look, the mother of the fairest person in the world. Brenna has. There's no one with lighter skin than Brenna. So,
yeah,
it really helps.
No, it's worth it because, yeah, it's worth it. Amy, the clothes and shoes look beautiful. These girls haven't stopped going. Jerusalem, the clothes look really nice. Just glare at somebody if they come and make a mess. Cass, your area over there looks wonderful. Cass, come talk about the pain that it is in your heart that all those classics are for sale.
I don't know who would get rid of that.
Well, people that don't watch VHS anymore, babe.
Well,
come show me some of your classics.
Oh, I took most of them.
Oh, you're buying most of them, okay.
There's still a lot.
All the, Cass set up all these, oh, look at all these VHS. Cass, you could do the firm downstairs.
I tried to get Amy to get it. For her to take it and buy it.
Nice.
Reagan's at her regular job. Are you enjoying yourself so far?
Fun.
Looks like, ooh, Mary Kay. Wow, $5? Only $3. Oh.
More like today with Reagan.
This can fulfill all of my makeup needs.
Yes.
Because I have no makeup needs.
Show.
I really want to test this plane. I really, really do.
There she goes again.
That's so dirty. That's so dirty, Abby.
This needs a theme song. Like,
It looks like
It's a transformation.
That's like,
it's like
from mermaid
just
to,
one swipe. It's oh god.
that's like as big a transformation as when Ariel went from a mermaid to a real person.
Sophia, how do you think it's going?
Great.
You're a liar.
Okay, everybody's riding Mandy's bike.
$4?
Wait, on the
Well, one person at least gave us 20 bucks for a car, so there's something.
Sophie, why don't you get that?
Do your dance, do your dance.
Here we go, Sophie, I'm gonna
All right, guys, I have to say I'm sorry ahead of time, letting you know what's going on. Try not to vlog very much until I get my replacement mic, but my little mic, videomicro Pro fizzed out on me. And this is the onboard audio for the M5, which I know is garbage. So I'm going to try and I don't know how I'm gonna get the wind off of here. So I'm gonna try and keep the vlogging down to a minimum till I get a replacement mic, which is on order and on its way today. The reason I noticed is because I went to shoot the announcement videos and I'm like, oh my goodness, it's horrible. Bummer! But good news, the car wash and garage sale, it's going great. It's going great. Anyway, so sorry about the audio. Hopefully it'll get fixed very quickly. These mics on the Canon EOS M5 are garbage. Not as bad as the Osmo onboard mic, but they are garbage. Well, I was trying not to use my camera and just using Mandy's, but gotta leave hers here. I gotta run to the bank and get more change. Everybody's giving us 20s and we're running out of change fast. Just got done with lunch. Thank you, Christina, and thank you, Nancy. Brought us some sandwiches and some pasta, some fried chicken. Eventually, once I get back and things start slowing down, Vanessa's gonna get pulled up for a car wash herself. Get these bugs off from junior high camp.
Sisters?
Yes.
We're never all together very often.
No, we're not.
Hey, why are you donating this? Because you need to be using this.
People like power of blender.
Courtney! She needs to be using that, Lee. What in the world? Why is she donating it? How's the newlyweds doing? Colby, you can kiss her now.
They told him he couldn't do that kind of kiss. Oh, there's dogs!
Aw. Sis?
It's time for Vanessa to get a bath. Well, more of a shower. Bath would be bad. She'd be flooded.
Brutal. Amy?
I hate teardown.
Teardown is...
This is mainly what we're getting paid for.
Teardown's the worst.
We're gonna make it though, Amy. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul. We're done! And we're eating Dutch's ice cream. Everyone say thank you, Dutch.
Thank you, Dad.
Javon's still
Javon is the last man standing over there. He's got sign duty.
in front of us.
Sophie, that is inappropriate. We are eating. Connor? Thank you. You got to talk to him about that test final. We want you to go.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Reagan?
you did a great job. I appreciate all of you.
Thank you.
Those who stuck around.
I'm
Decker,
sorry.
because you didn't, I'm eating all your ice cream. So
It's what you get for going to work, my friend.
that's what you
I mean,
get
he
for
can
going
leave
to work.
early if he's gonna bring us.
Yeah. Next time, steak. Steak.
Sophie.
There's nothing in there.
It's not okay, Sophie.
Connor,
What?
do you cost $5 or does your music cost $5 to listen to?
Dog, that's $5.
Sophie is priceless.
Yeah, if it comes to $1 million, you're going.
That is nice Canadian music, Connor. You need your glasses on though if you're playing Canadian music with a Canadian lute.
Abby forgot.
Thank you.
Oh, I think we're good. That was a lot of work today, but it went well. We got it all done, and we've only got one more car wash garage sale left this year to as a fundraiser. So that's a good thing in my book. And we're very proud of all the students who were there today to help set up and to tear down and get everything done. You guys did a great job. But we are home. We've been home for a while. I am home, and thankfully Amazon Prime came through. I got a replacement mic. I hope it sounds okay. And I just shot the announcement videos because I thought I was gonna have time to do that today, but then my mic busted and there wasn't anywhere. I didn't have any of my other mics with me at the church, so just did them now in my little makeshift studio. Ooh. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day. Everybody else is actually knocked out. Everybody fell asleep pretty early tonight, but we're looking forward to tomorrow, and then of course Monday back to camp, and it's gonna be awesome. Did want to stop in and say thank you guys so much. We really do appreciate you guys. We are so thankful that you like, you subscribe, you share, you comment, all those things, and we're glad that you're along on the ride with us, and we hope you guys continue to enjoy the vlog. Anyway, whew, I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Love God, love people.